My name is Robert Fitzpatrick. I'm a diesel tech, and I started here in 1992. Started out as a porter, sweeping and mopping the floors. Then after 6 months, they moved me into the warranty department. About a year, they started to open up a night shift, and they had asked me to be the night foreman. So I did night foreman for about a year, and had a new addition to the family, so I needed more money. So I decided to become a technician. They gave me an opportunity to advance and become a technician, and sent me to all the schooling I needed to go to learn more about the truck.
You're not a number, and that's what I like about Tri-State. They've provided opportunities for anybody that wants one.
This is actually the only company that I have worked for that actually has invested in their employees, by investing in us and giving back.
You got to grow techs, and that's what we like doing here, is you got to find some people sometimes, and you got to grow those techs to be what you want them to be.
Patrick is the in-house technician trainer for Tri-State, and it's great to have a person like that, on staff for both Tri-State Mac itself and its customers.
Technicians have to be kept up all the time, constantly.
When I came, they were mechanical, and now everything is computerized. You got to have a computer before you can do anything to a truck.
Technology is always changing, and my role is to ensure that they have the latest information, everything pertaining to their jobs.
I love his teaching style. He's real good at teaching. He's always here. He'll personally come out and help you with things.
My training with Patrick was fun, and I like it because it's in town. You don't have to travel. You get to talk to the trainer in person any day you want, and I really liked it. Other places not like it.
You have 3 different levels of classes that they do here. You have your professionals, expert to masters. I'm a professional right now, just finished all my classes, so I'll be going to expert.
Him keeping up with the new trends, the new models, the different engines, it's helped us and technicians out tremendously.
Having Patrick in Memphis is crucial. Having our own trainer and our own guy that we can call, when we need him puts Tri-State above anybody else.
I often hear it, I heard it before from other drivers come in. They said they were told to come here because this is the best place to get your truck diagnosed right.
Every day and every minute that truck's down is a problem for us. So having somebody like Patrick train those guys, train all the technicians, and help get your trucks back on the road, that's very important to us.